Hey guys, it's Amber, and I just got my Heidi Swapp Christmas stuff, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing with you guys. Didn't get a ton because I already have more than I need with Ellie Edwards products, but I do really love some of her products, and she always has some really great essentials. So I'll try to get as much of this linked as I can. Let's see, let's just start with the little stuff here. So I really love her ribbon. If you saw, you won't see it yet. My product play video showcases one of her white ribbons, and when you cut her stuff, it doesn't really fray is the word I'm looking for. And she has some really great new Christmas colors for her color collective. This is like a new red and a new green. And she also started coming out with 1/4 inch ribbon as well. So I picked up a red, green, and 1/2 inch and the 1/4 inch. I also picked up some twines because, like, of course you can use them for Christmas, but you can also use this stuff for other projects. Let's see, so I got 2 packs of letter stickers. I love her puffy stickers, especially the ones that are in this size. This is a 1/2 inch, just under 1/2 inch size. So, oops. Again, these new colors. So I picked up a puffy red and a green, and these are great because they have quite a few of each letter, and they have numbers and punctuation. So love these as well. I got 2 new metal dies. So this one matches a stamp set. I did not get the stamps, but I thought that they would still be useful without them because they're everyday kind of designs. This one is a door set that will also go with her newest, they're like really stuck together, her newest story stamp set. There we go. So it's like a rounded door with like a little peephole there, and then this door with like a wreath and a cutout and all kinds of stuff there. And like it has fold marks and like a little flappy thing. So she really puts a lot of attention and details into her products for sure. And then this one has like a bow and a gift tag, which would be really cute if you wanted to make like an enlarged present with like patterned paper and like ribbon, or even like paper ribbon. Got like a North Star, so starburst, a star, 2 different snowflakes, and then holly and berries. So you can cut those apart. And then I got an extra set of these, but I'll show those with the rest of the kit here. So this was like a mini bundle that included several things. Comes with the envelope. I set that to the side here. So it comes with some die cuts, some like a tag set, these really cute gifts that are like a 2-piece pocket thing I'll share. This clear tag that I love so much, I got a second set, so I'll show those in a minute. Came with some labels. These adorable trees that have like little flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little openings, and there's 2 of them in there. A washi tape. I thought oh yeah, 2 washi tapes and some pattern paper. So let me go through the pattern paper here. And these Christmas Santa mugs are just to die for. So cute. I know last year she came out with a stamp set that she said was like a massive bestseller because it had like a Santa stamp like this on there, and I believe that she even created a new enlarged version. So these are always double-sided, so I'll show both sides. So we've got the Santa mugs, and then on the back is a like textured like fabric stripe. Then we've got Santa's Village. I believe this is also a stamp set, so you can duplicate this. Not Santa's Village, but like neighborhood village with like a church and stuff. And then on the back is a white distressed with like 4 different colors of polka dots. And then we've got pink trees on like a cream color. And then on the back is Fa La La in different fonts, which is really cute. That's on a bright white. Here we have different types of labels, or like whatever you want these to be, really. This one's kind of more of like a door opening sort of thing. But labels on cream. And on the back is pink lyrics. We've got Jingle Bells going all the way down, Deck the Halls, and the Christmas Tree. And here we've got a really nice bold stripe with pink, white, light green, and dark green. Very distressed. I always love her distressed papers. They're so cute. And then on the back we have a red with a pink, like chalky, hand-drawn kind of polka dot. And we've got a red and white, not quite a candy cane, but definitely a red and white stripe with some pink distressing. And on the back of that one is some bokeh. So that's really fun. So love that. These trees will fit in a 6x8 album. So we've got a green one and a pink one. And if you really wanted to, you could go the opposite way. So the back looks like notebook paper. You could probably even go double-sided if you really wanted to get creative. So how cute would it be to have little fun windows and stamp things and tiny little embellishments or photos behind there. So those are little trees. And then this is a 2-pack of labels. So this side is like pink, red, and like a light green. And then this side is 3 dark greens. So these, she released something similar last year. These, I believe, are a slightly different pattern. But I used all 4 of them in my album. I use them as kind of like everyone's wish list or what they got for Christmas. So it pops out with like a little card, and this part's double-sided, this part is not. But how fun is that, where it matches up with the bow? So really cute idea for those. Love those pockets. I will probably use all of them again. I will try to come up with a more creative thing so I'm not duplicating exactly. These things, oh my gosh, I love these. And it makes me want to make my own with like mink or something. I don't know why I never thought of making a ginormous tabs before, but they are what she calls like her ghost clear. But they already have sticky stuff on them, and they have different edges. So like ticket style, there's a rounded style. But we've got Noel, Ho Ho Ho, Jolly, Tradition, Merry, and Joy. They're so clever. Genius. So I love those. I didn't want to hoard them, so I bought 2. So I got an extra pack. They're very affordable. So hopefully, I haven't checked in a while. Hopefully all this stuff's still available. Let's do the die cuts. We'll do the tags last. So she's always got very cute die cuts as well. This one, I think she included some numbers. But a lot of these are duplicates of stamps, I think. But I didn't buy any stamp sets, like I said, so this worked out well. So we've got a little special delivery truck, pile of presents. We've got a little jingle bells. We've got a old van, like a VW bus with a tree on it. Got a Christmas tree, ho ho ho, pink trees, Santa mug, a label. Got a Santa, very merry in her handwriting, a green bow, candy cane with a bow, another single pink tree, got a dark green bow by itself, a little tag that says the most joy. It's pre-punched. Got another label. I apologize, I've got hiccoughs, I'm trying to hide them. One of those wintry neighborhood scenes. And then for the numbers, it's a really fun, great font. I'm not sure how high up it goes here. So we've got, obviously you can mix and match these. 6. So 0 through 9. Pretty cute. So you can make quite a few combinations of daily numbers or do single numbers and add those into your stash in a variety of ways. So she always has really fun die cuts. Those usually sell out, but hopefully the kits are available. Like I said, I'll try to link everything for you guys. Oh, Santa mugs, darling. And then last we have these tickets and tags, I guess. And I know they have gold foil on them, and I believe there's 2 of each kind, but each one has, there's like a plain and a more detailed version, if I remember her mentioning this correctly. So these 2 look the same. It says destination, there's a 25 in gold, 12, 25, 23 is on here, but you could rip this off if you didn't want that. But those are really cute. So these are the same. These 2 are the same, except this one says North Pole International Express, has the dates and Merry Christmas on there. But the rest you could add your own details or use at another time. These say North Pole and then 1, 2, 3, and then just random numbers, and those are the same. This also says North Pole. There's a little geotag with some numbers, and then date and International Express. And then this little guy, they both say North Pole and December 25th, but this one says transport services and has random numbers like 24, 25, 12. So just really cute. She always puts so much detail and thought into her products, just like Allie Edwards does. So anyway, really fun. I will get these added into my December daily stash. Oh, and the washi sheets, I forgot to point them out specifically. So this one's a little bit thicker. It's like a gingham red and white, and this one is a candy cane stripe with a bold red, and then like a light pink, and then a skinny green stripe. So that'll be a really fun one to add. Matches everything, of course. So anyway, that's everything. I will see you soon for December daily coming up, and I'm so excited for all the classes to come up on Allie Edwards' site, and I'm sure that Heidi Swapp will have classes as well too. So I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.